Hello, good evening, sir. My name is Krishnamurthy. Sir, actually, I lost my job due to COVID-19 pandemic. I am looking for a vacancy in your esteemed institution, sir. The situation is damn serious, man. We have to do something about this. Wait, let me tweet. Hello. Hi, ma. I actually lost my job. Can you please manage with last month's salary one time, please? Macha, they're not living outside house only, ra. They're very scared because of this pandemic. Don't worry. After it ends, we'll put one nice sitting. Hi. This is not how you wear a mask. This is not. Arey, how does it matter? It's a mask only, no? Bro, parents are not giving pocket money, bro, because of this pandemic. Hi, babe. Yeah, actually, I was thinking we'll celebrate your birthday next month, no? Is that okay? I'm really sorry. Sir, may I know when is my next Zoom interview, sir? Bro, we can't have exams, duh. This time, so dangerous, duh. My mom is old AF. ಸರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ ಜಾಬ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆನೇ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡೆಮಿಕ್ಕಿಂದ ನೀವು ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯರ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ಹಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 3 months ಮಚ್ಚ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋಣ #, ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಪೋನ್ ಕೇಸೆಟ್ ಯೂತ್ ಲೈಫ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Hey there my fellow Indians, welcome to News Hamster. So you know precisely what we're talking about in this video, and I have a joke on the Indian youth, but sadly no one gets it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are all aware of the fact that the COVID-19 pandemic has affected every segment of population equally. But India happens to be one of the youngest countries in the world with more than 50% of its population below the age of 35. And this is going to increase by more than 35% in the coming years. India's dependency ratio is just 0.4%. But how did this COVID-19 pandemic affect India's young population? Let's find out. So we're all aware of the fact that even before the pandemic struck, India was suffering from one of the worst unemployment crises ever, and the economy was rolling down the slope. But when the pandemic struck and there was a lockdown, India suffered one of the most humongous job losses till date. According to the latest data released by the Consumer Pyramid Household Survey, 11% of those who lost their jobs were youngsters between the age group of 20 to 24. Now, this accounted for over 1.3 crore people. Talking about the youngsters between the age group of 25 to 29, they accounted for over 1.4 crore people. That means 2.7 crore youngsters have lost their jobs due to the pandemic. To put that in perspective, 2.7 crore equals a little more than the entire population of Bengaluru city, a little less than the entire population of Mumbai. Imagine an entire city unemployed without potential hope in the future and starving. अब क्या करें बताइए? लहर आ गई है, लहर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट की लहर, और जब इस अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के लहर में हम गोते खाते हैं और अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट का फिराना जब हमें काटता है तो दिन का चैन और रात की नींद उड़ जाती है साहब. In every June, 10 to 12 million youth enter Indian workforce. आंखों में सपने लिए कि वो भी कभी नारायण मूर्ति, शशि थरूर, ड्रोन प्रताप. ये ड्रोन प्रताप का नाम किस डाला स्क्रिप्ट में? Every year, 10 to 12 million youth enter Indian workforce. While some come to fulfill their parents' dream, while some come to repay the education loans that they have taken. But the situation is perilous here. Neither do they have the job, nor can they repay the loans. One side, there is unemployment, and the other side, the economy is crashing due to the rising non-performing assets in the bank. What are these non-performing assets? They are simply the loans that you could not pay back to the banks, and thus hitting the gut of the economy, which leads it to crash down. Some of our friends who wanted to become Sundar Pichai, and they said, bro, I'll go off to US, study off there only, get tough job there only, are not able to go to their Bazwali Gali. Well, some of our friends in the US or Canada wanted to come back as Mohan Bhargav from Swades are not able to get out of their quarantine facilities. Well, some of our friends who left their jobs in search of better opportunities and entered a very strict lockdown are still unemployed, are looking for employment. Many big companies like Ola, Uber, Paytm, Zomato have undertaken on an average firing of 100 employees. So you can do the math. Let me tell you about Swiggy. Swiggy undertook 2 rounds of laying off the employees. In the first round, they fired around 350 employees. The data for the second round is yet to come out. But there are still companies like Tata who are not firing their employees, but then they are cutting their salaries. We have to understand that these companies demand experience from freshers. And when they hire us, they place us in low-level, low-skilled jobs. And they spend very little on training us. And that's why it becomes very difficult for us to leave this job during the tough time. Either the youngsters are overrepresented in sectors like tourism, in sectors like hospitality, and the other sectors we remain underrepresented. We are not suffering from one, but many problems. But अपने लोगों का अपना ही चल रहा है. देखिए.
बात मोदी जी की हम सब ने मान ली, बस घर में ही रह के सुबह शाम की. कुछ ज्यादा तू उम्मीद मत रख कोरोना, हम कमजोर न समझ कोरोना. मेहमान है तू कुछ वार वर्गा, अपने हाथों को सैनिटाइज करते हैं. सैनिटाइजर है हथियार अपना.
और व्हाट डू आई से, मेंटल हेल्थ की तो माँ बहन हुई है और सभी तो मेंटल हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट बन गए हैं. डीएम मी इफ यू वांट टू टॉक. अगर डीएम किया तो ओ माय गॉड सच अ क्रीप. पर हम सबको साइकोलॉजिस्ट और साइकियाट्रिस्ट बनने का बड़ा शौक है, स्पेशली व्हेन देयर इज अ पॉपुलर सुसाइड, स्पेशली अ सुसाइड ऑफ एन एक्टर, एंड वी ऑल बिकम साइकोलॉजिस्ट. एंड उसके बाद हम उसकी सारी मूवीज देखते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले भाग साले.
अबे साले तभी मेरा माफ करना, गुस्से में इधर उधर निकल जाता हूँ.
See, we youth, most of us do not come with our parents' property under our sleeve, or we do not come with a perfect plan कि अभी चलो ये जॉब करना है, फिर मास्टर्स करना है, फिर शादी करना है, फिर बच्चे करना है. That's not what we come here with. We come with a dream of leading a good life and having a good life in the future. And all we have at our hand is our health and also the present time that we are living in. Currently, both of this has been taken away from us. But yes, we need to hope and pray that we get back and bounce back well and good in this situation. And as the youth of this country, you and me need to bounce back. We need to stand firm and we need to find solutions to these problems so that they don't arise in the future. Alright, so hit the comment section. We shall talk over there. Smash the subscribe button and of course press the bell icon for more exciting content, because we need your support to make more and more content. Well, of course, share the video because the nation needs to know what is exactly happening here, and let this reach far and wide. And of course, for more updates, log on to www.thenewshamster.com, and until next time, Jai Hind.